welcome back to my channel. My name is Lilian Tahmasian. For those of you that don't know me, welcome. So it has been quite a bit of a time since I've actually sat down and filmed a tutorial for you guys. I've been busy traveling, working, running around, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to go back to my passion, as well as my passion being fashion. I do have a huge love for makeup, so I thought I'm going to get right into a great makeup tutorial. And I thought, you know what, let me switch it up. I have been inspired by the lovely Kristen Dominique's verse video, so she would do like French makeup versus American makeup and things like that. And I don't think an American versus an Australian makeup has ever been done before, so I thought, you know what, I got you. So I'm going to do half my face of what I think is more Australian makeup, what are the trends kind of going on there, and then half Americanized makeup. Having said this, I am by no means trying to offend anyone or trying to say this one's better than this version, or you know, whatever. I think they're all really beautiful in their own way, but every culture does have their bits and pieces that are different, and I think that's what makes it beautiful. That's what makes us all unique, and yeah, more exciting, right? So I'm gonna go jump right into it, and I hope you guys will like this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I mean the entire world to me, and also follow me on Instagram, Lilian Tahmasian. Let's get into it. First things first, I'm going to do my left side Australian and then the right side American. Now, with my experience being Australian, being brought up in that country, is that we love our skincare so much, and I love that so much because that's just been embedded into my soul. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Alpha Liquid Gold. It has it has glycolic acid in it. I'm going to use a cotton pad and just spray this all over. Not spray, I'm going to do that. I'm going to wipe it all over my face, or the left side. This is a really great Australian brand if you're looking to kind of get right into your pores and clear all that dirt. And I thought my face was clean, see? Apparently it wasn't. We do really love our skincare, and oh my gosh, if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with jojoba oil, especially Australian jojoba oil. It is amazing. I slather this onto my face, my body. You guys, I go through bottles, I don't know, a few times a year. I'm not even lying. They know because they keep sending me bottles. Oh, that feels so good and clean and fresh. To tell you guys a little bit of a story now that I'm doing my makeup. In Australia, I feel like if you ask any Australian, they would tell you that to us growing up, we didn't really know like the difference between drugstore makeup and then high-end makeup, because what we get advertised on TV is Maybelline, it's L'Oreal, it's what you guys, I mean not you guys, Americans I guess consider drugstore makeup. So when I first came here as an adult, not being, you know, 5, when I was 15, I was like, why do they call it drugstore? I didn't get it. I didn't understand why it was cheaper. That's what we majorly get advertised on, so to me it was a bit weird. But so the two foundations that I picked is the L'Oreal True Match, and then this beautiful Australian brand called DB Designer Brands. And I discovered this in the Australian Chemist, and I started working with them. I've never actually tried this particular foundation, but I want to give it a go on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and open. Oh, okay, doesn't want to open. Well then. Ow! Oh, a bit on the back of my hand. And then grab my Shan Exo Flat Top brush, face brush. My beautiful friend Shan Exo here on YouTube. Absolutely beautiful. Ooh, okay, I didn't know this was high coverage. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to go directly down my face. That's crazy. I've never done half my face before. To me, when I think about Australian makeup, I don't ever think of like a caked on look. It's very effortless, natural, just iridescently beautiful. I sound very biased, but it's just more natural, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to add a tiny bit of Morphe concealer, just a tiny bit, but I just like to keep it a bit more natural. I'm not going to do anything crazy, to be honest. Maybe that's all you need. Very quite dewy, to be honest with you. All I remember is growing up with my mum going to Myers or Priceline and just being like, I can't wait to grow up and wear makeup one day. Now with the shadows, I bought 2 different palettes, mini palettes by Napoleon Pettis. Now I do believe, yeah, Napoleon was here. They had a store, I believe, in America, and unfortunately it closed down, but they're still, I think, one of the top brands in Australia, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to go ahead and use the Prismatic Eyeshadow Quad in number 5. I'm going to go ahead and use beautiful cream colour all over the lid, just lightly. It has a very light shine to it. I feel like you're just paying more for the little glitter particles. Is this? I don't even know what is going on, to be honest. Okay. Okay, there's a lot of falling out here going on. Then I'm going to grab a slightly darker brown and just... I wasn't going for that look, but okay, this is quite dark. Just going to blend that out. It's very glittery. Okay, I'm going to be grabbing the same brown color and just doing it tiny bit on the lower lash line. No one else do this. I get lazy, so I don't want to change my brush. So I literally just go like this. Does anyone else do that? Finish off the look tiny bit. I'm going to be grabbing the Laura Mercier Opal Fantasy color. These are single pans, and I'm just going to slightly apply that to the inner corner. It's this beautiful pink shade, and then bring it to the bottom inner corner as well. The brows, before I go ahead and do the mascara, I'm just going to quickly go ahead and fill the brows. Now, when I think about Australian makeup, as I mentioned once again, it's more natural. So I'm just going to lightly feather them in, nothing too insane. So now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. So I'm just going to kind of lightly apply. Ooh, there we go. Now for the contouring, it is quite more of a natural look. So I'm going to be using the Ellis Antioxidant Bronzer. This is one of my favorite Aussie brands. Honestly, it stays on, stays put, does not move. I've been using them since 2012, I want to say. Definitely a favorite of mine. So I'm just going to lightly apply. Get that sun-kissed glow, because you're going to be in the sun in Australia a lot, so it's needed. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and use my NARS Wanted One palette. Just add a whole bunch of beautiful pink. Just to get that. Oh, that's too much pink, buddy. Too much. So to me, I want to get that extreme dewy look. I look so sick on my right hand side right now. I'm going to be using the Ciate Dewy Skin Stick. I'm just going to apply this on my cheekbone and then tap it in. Just waiting for that to dry. I'm going to go ahead and use my Ulta 3 Prism Glow Highlighter. Oh, I just got severe heart pains. Ooh. And I believe you can buy this at Priceline. So I'm just going to... Ooh, look at that, beautiful, mixing the pink with the gold. Okay, get that glow. For the lip here, I want to go for something really, really nice, natural, beautiful for the summertime. Since we're going in summer in Australia, it's going to be the Chi Chi Centerfold Lip Liner. And you guys, this is amazing. Like, it does not rub off. I've been wearing it for the past, I don't know, 2 months, I want to say. Absolutely amazing. I ate ice cream with it. It doesn't come off, FYI. I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarteist Glossy Lip Paint in Ovi, because obviously. For the last finishing touch, I'm going to go ahead and use my Ardell Wispies. Now, to be honest, for the life of me, I can't remember if they sell this, but I'm sure they do in Priceline. But that was the look that we were going for. Perfect thing to have in your drawer. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? This is the Australian side. Now, just to finish off the whole look, I'm going to be applying the Tatcha Dewy Mist finishing spray. And there you go. This is my Australian side. Very, very dewy, very natural, really nice for the daytime. And then if you want to kind of spice this up, you can maybe apply a darker lippy. But I would definitely wear this to like brunch. I would wear it to the beach if I'm not swimming in the ocean. Do you know what I'm saying? My beautiful Americans have really, really nice looks as well. They definitely do inspire the world when it comes to their looks. I'm going to jump right into it and use the Pixie Rose Flash Balm to begin with, just to prep my skin. Oh, this is really nice. I've never used this one before. Now for the foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is really high coverage, I believe. A pump and a half here, and just kind of dab it in. To me, American culture, makeup, fashion has a huge influence on the world, obviously. So they really are trendsetters. So for the shadows, for the American side, I decided to go ahead and use my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I've never actually used it before, but it has all the right colors that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and use this beautiful Breakaway just to apply this to my base, and then kind of go back and forth. Ooh, okay. Now, to me, when I think of American makeup, American eyes, I think of like a much larger eye. I'm going to go ahead and use the Still Shot, this beautiful pink color right here, and I'm going to apply that to the crease and then slightly bring it in so I can have a beautiful color to kind of transition with. I'm going to go ahead and use this beautiful brown color called Good as Gone. Apply that to the outer corner and then slightly bring it in. Now I'm going for a darker look, so let's keep that in mind. Oh, these blend really, really nicely. Look at that. Darken up the look a tiny bit. I'm going to use Punk, this beautiful brown color. Slightly bring it in. I'm going to use this beautiful color called Reef. It's like this beautiful burnt pumpkin color, just to blend everything out. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to set my foundation using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Stuff is thick, it doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't move. If you're going to a wedding, a run, a jog around the block, definitely recommend this. First, I'm going to go ahead and use my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I feel like Americans definitely love the thick Instagram brow look where they cut out the eyebrow. That's just not for me personally, but I'm going to go ahead and use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And I'm going to slightly make it a bit more thicker and prominent. For the mascara, I'm going to go ahead and use the Ciate Wonderland mascara. This stuff is like magic. You don't even need much, but it's really heavy. That's how good it is. It's just like heavy. I forgot to apply my eyeliner. What is wrong with me? Wait. I applied the Sex Kitten eyeliner even though I did my mascara. Please forgive me. I had to apply eyeliner and I forgot. Back to regular programming. To me, Americans have always had like a Bratz doll makeup eye look. That's the look we are trying to achieve here. I'm going to go ahead and blend all that in. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Morphe 9BZ palette to contour. For shades we are working with, I'm going to go ahead and apply the darker ones mostly. Okay, I'm going to apply the contour slightly higher above my cheekbone to give that lift effect. Everything pulled back, lifted. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Smashbox palette in gold, and I'm going to be applying quite a thick layer. Ooh, my nose and then the bridge. The lip here, I'm using one of my favorite liquid lipsticks by Smashbox. This one is called Out Loud. You guys, I go through these a lot. There we go. Ooh, okay. I feel like a crazy person, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm really not, hating it, Final step, I'm gonna be applying my Morphe Float Alert lashes. These are quite thicker, quite, ooh, I feel like a good girl, bad girl, shy, confident. Isn't it so crazy how makeup can transform the way that you feel, the way that you look? Ooh, but this is the final makeup look. I had so much fun filming this. I've never done anything like this before. Which one's your favorite? Is it Aussie or is it American? Aussie, American. Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys have been watching me for a while on my new channel, because I did have an old channel that I nearly had 100,000 subscribers on and unfortunately got blocked. Long story cut short, I had to create this new one. If you guys have been watching me on my new channel recently, you know that I love to do giveaways because I would love to give back in any way, shape or form that I can. Because if it wasn't for you guys, I really wouldn't be doing what I do every single day. And I'm so grateful, so thankful for you all. I love you guys so much. So today's giveaway, are you ready? Drum roll, please. This 3-piece set Model's Own package deal. So you're going to get your Cheat Day cheek palette, and it's a highlighter palette as well. So you have 3 highlighters over here. And you have the new Model's Own Blaze eyeshadow. These are the colors, absolutely gorgeous colors, especially for fall and winter. You have your Cheat Day, look, it looks like donuts. How cute is that? You have your Cheat Day eyeshadow palette with 16 shades. So one lucky winner is going to win all 3 palettes, and this is like the perfect way to start your makeup collection, your makeup set. Do whatever you want to do with it. All you have to do to win this beautiful bundle is subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification right here. Thumbs up this video, comment below your thoughts, which look is your favorite and where you're from. It's as simple as that. And follow me on Instagram, Lilian Tahmasian, and you're legit going to the draw to win this. I'm going to be doing so many of these giveaways, so have no fear. More prizes coming. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait until I see you guys in the next video. Keep smiling. Bye.